Open the glove box. Remove the plastic tray and the access panel. Pinch the tabs on the side of the housing and remove the housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing door. Reinstall the access panel and the plastic tray. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.